Hello guys, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. Laser levels have revolutionized the way construction, renovation, and projects are executed by providing precise, hands-free leveling and alignment. These tools emit a highly visible laser beam that can be projected across long distances, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in tasks that demand straight lines and accurate measurements. Whether you're hanging shelves, installing tiles, or setting up framework, a laser level simplifies the process and reduces errors, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Now, let's explore the top 5 laser levels available on the market today, each offering unique features and benefits to suit various project needs and budgets. Number 5. Huepar HM03CG Laser Levels. As a professional contractor, precision and reliability are paramount in my line of work. Having used the Huepar HM03CG laser levels extensively on various projects, I can confidently say that they exceed expectations in both regards. First and foremost, the HM03CG boasts an impressive 12-line measurement model, providing comprehensive coverage for both vertical and horizontal alignment tasks. The green laser beams are not only highly visible, but also remarkably accurate, with a leveling accuracy of plus or minus 3 mm 10 meters, plus or minus 1/9 inches at 33 feet. This level of precision ensures that every layout is executed with the utmost accuracy, saving both time and effort during the construction process. One of the standout features of the HM03CG is its versatility. Whether I'm working indoors or outdoors, this laser level adapts effortlessly to any environment. With a leveling compensation range of plus or minus 3 degrees, it can handle slight inclinations with ease, ensuring that my measurements remain spot on regardless of the terrain. Additionally, the reference working distance of 30 meters 98 feet, 100 lux, provides ample coverage for most indoor projects, while the extended range of 40 to 60 meters 130 to 197 feet with a laser receiver caters to larger outdoor applications. Number 4. HUAZEILEXXJ 16 lines 4D Laser Levels. Are you tired of the hassle and imprecision of traditional leveling tools? Look no further than the HUAZEILEXXJ 4D Laser Levels. As someone who demands accuracy and efficiency in their projects, I was thoroughly impressed by the performance of this innovative device. First and foremost, let's talk about precision. With a wavelength of 510 to 530 nm and a precision of plus 1.5 mm 5 meters, this laser level ensures pinpoint accuracy, allowing you to achieve perfectly aligned surfaces every time. Whether you're working on indoor renovations or outdoor construction projects, the HUAZEILEXXJ 4D laser level delivers consistent results without fail. Versatility is another key feature of this product. Available in 8 lines, 12 lines, or 16 lines models, and with plug types for both EU and US outlets, it caters to a wide range of user needs. Additionally, its vertical and horizontal laser capabilities make it suitable for various applications, whether you're hanging shelves or laying tiles. One of the standout features of the HUAZEILEXXJ 4D laser level is its smart functionality. Number 3. KEZERS KL4D03G 4D Laser Levels. I recently had the opportunity to try out the KEZERS KL4D03G 4D laser levels, and I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed with its performance and features. As someone who frequently works on construction projects and home improvement tasks, having a reliable laser level is essential, and the KL4D03G does not disappoint. First and foremost, let's talk about precision. The laser level boasts a precision of plus or minus 2 mm 10 meters, which is incredibly accurate, and ensures that my measurements are spot on every time. Whether I'm aligning tiles, installing shelves, or hanging pictures, I can trust that the KL4D03G will provide precise results, saving me time and effort in the process. One of the standout features of this laser level is its 16-line measurement model. With both vertical and horizontal lasers, I have greater flexibility and versatility in my projects. Whether I need to work on a single plane or multiple surfaces simultaneously, the KL4D03G has me covered. Plus, the 515 nm wavelength ensures that the laser lines are bright and easily visible, even in bright daylight conditions. I also appreciate the self-leveling function of the KL4D03G. With a self-leveling range of plus or minus 3 degrees, I can set up the laser level with confidence, knowing that it will automatically adjust to ensure accurate results. Number 2. WEIDDW 3D 4D Laser Levels. As a seasoned enthusiast and occasional semi-professional contractor, I've had my fair share of experiences with laser levels. Yet, nothing quite prepared me for the precision and efficiency that the WEIDDW 3D 4D laser levels brought to my projects. First and foremost, let's talk about accuracy. The WEIDDW08 model, equipped with 16 lines, delivers laser-sharp precision that ensures every alignment and measurement is spot on. Whether I'm working on vertical or horizontal surfaces, this laser level doesn't miss a beat. The 360 degrees self-leveling feature further enhances its accuracy, saving me valuable time and effort in adjustments. One standout feature of the WEIDDW 3D/4D laser levels is its remote control functionality. This seemingly small addition revolutionizes the way I work. With the remote in hand, I can make precise adjustments from a distance, eliminating the need for constant back and forth trips to the device. It's a game changer for efficiency, especially when working alone or in large spaces. The 515 nm wavelength ensures excellent visibility even in bright environments, a crucial aspect for outdoor projects or well-lit indoor spaces. Number 1. LFINE 3D/4D laser levels. When it comes to precision tools, the LFINE 3D/4D laser levels are in a league of their own. As a seasoned contractor with a keen eye for detail, I've had the pleasure of putting these laser levels through their paces, and they've exceeded my expectations in every regard. First and foremost, let's talk about visibility. The green light beams emitted by the LFINE laser levels are nothing short of impressive. Even in broad daylight or well-lit environments, these beams remain vivid and easily discernible, ensuring accurate measurements and alignments every time. Whether I'm working indoors or outdoors, the green light cuts through with remarkable clarity, making my job a breeze. One of the standout features of the LFINE laser levels is their versatility. With support for both tile and slash functions, these tools adapt effortlessly to a wide range of applications. Whether I'm laying tiles in a bathroom or framing walls in a construction project, the LFINE laser levels provide the precision and accuracy I need to get the job done right the first time. The beam direction, encompassing both vertical and horizontal lines, adds another layer of flexibility to these laser levels. No matter the orientation of the surface I'm working on, I can rely on the LFINE laser levels to deliver consistent and accurate results. And with features like 4D 16 lines and 12 lines laser level configurations, I have the versatility to tackle projects of any scale with ease. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more update.